Meaning of haematologist.
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 Haematologist. A haematologist is a medical professional who specializes in the study and treatment of blood-related disorders, including diseases and conditions that affect the blood cells, blood vessels, and bone marrow. They are responsible for diagnosing and treating a wide range of conditions, such as anemia, leukemia, lymphoma, hemophilia, and blood clotting disorders. Hematologists may also be involved in blood transfusion procedures and stem cell transplantation. They work closely with other healthcare professionals, such as oncologists, to provide comprehensive care for patients with blood disorders. Overall, hematologists play a critical role in managing and improving the health outcomes of patients with blood-related conditions.